Hi children, have a good day. Welcome to grade 6 Maths. Today it is session 2 of chapter 3 Factors and Multiples. In last session we have seen about factors and multiples. In today's session we are going to see about rules of divisibility. Before getting into the session, let's start our class with a prayer.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Open your eyes, children. Let's do one energizer. If I say multiples of 5 table, show 5 fingers. If I say multiples of 10 table, show your 10 fingers. Number 10, number 15, number 75, number 20, number 30, number 40, number 85, number 115, number 10, number 40, number 175, number 200, number 5, number 15, number 100. Okay children, superb. In today's session, we are going to see about rules of divisibility. Children, first we are going to see divisibility rule of number 2. If the number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, the number is divisible by 2. So, for example, number 14, the number is ending with 4. So, if the numbers are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, the number is divisible by number 2. So, this is the divisibility rule of number 2. Next, divisibility rule of 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. See the first example, number 15. So if you are adding the digits, that is 1 plus 5, we get 6. So 6 is divisible by 3. So 15 is divisible by the number 3. So if you are adding the digits and you are getting a number which is divisible by number 3, the number is also divisible by number 3. So, if the sum of the digits is divisible by the number 3, the number is also divisible by 3. Next, divisible by 4. If the last two digits are divisible by 4 or both zeros, the number is divisible by 4. See the example, 24. So, 24 is divisible by 4. So, we can divide number 24 by 4. See the second example, 673. The last two digits are 73. If you are dividing 73 by 4, we are getting a remainder as 1. So, 673 is not divisible by 4. So, for the divisibility rule of 4, you must have the last two digits divisible by 4 or two zeros. Next, divisible by 5. For number 5, it is very easy. If the number is ending with 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. See the example, 99. So the number is ending with 9. So this is not divisible by 5. Second example, 875. The ones place is 5. So if the ones place is 5 or 0, the total number is divisible by the number 5. Next, divisibility rule of 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. See the example 67. 67, the ending number is 7. So it is not divisible by the number 2. Also 67 is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 6. Because for divisibility rule of 6, it must be divisible for both 2 and 3. So 67 is not divisible by 6. See the second number 682. So the ending number is 2. So the number is divisible by number 2. Let's check for number 3. It is not divisible for number 3 because when you are adding the digits, it is not divisible by number 3. So the number is not divisible by 6. So for the divisibility rule of 6, the number must be divisible by both 2 and 3. Next, divisibility rule of number 8. If the last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or all zeros, the number is divisible by 8. See the example 104. There are 3 digits. When we are dividing, the number is 13. So no remainder. So the number is divisible by 8. See the last example 7808. By taking the last 3 digits, we are checking. While dividing by 8, we get remainder as 0. So the total number 7808 is divisible by number 8. So if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or zeros, 3 zeros, we can say the number is divisible by 8. Next, divisibility rule of 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. See the example 18. If you are adding 1 plus 8, we get 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So 18 is divisible by 9. See the last example 789. If you are adding 7 plus 8 plus 9, we get 24. While dividing 24, we get a remainder 6. So this number is not divisible by 9. So for divisibility rule of 9, the sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. Next, divisibility rule of 10. It is a very easy rule. If the number is ending with 0, it is divisible by 10. See the example 120. It is ending with 0. So this number is divisible by 10. See the second example 3451. The ones place is 1. So this number is not divisible by 10 because the number must end with 0 for divisible. Next, last rule, divisibility rule of 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the digits at ones place and sum of the digits at even numbers is 0 or either 11. See the example 121. First you have to add the ones places and subtract from the even places. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So we are getting an answer as 0. So this number is divisible by 11. So you have to see the number. First you have to bracket off the odd numbers minus bracket of even numbers. If you are getting the answer as 0 or 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Okay, children, now we have seen divisibility rules from 2 to 9. Now it is classwork part. You have to complete practice zone 2 in concept book, page number 39. There are two questions. The first question is complete the table. One has been done for you. So they have given some numbers. You have to check whether the numbers are divisible for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. You have to use the before rules and make a tick if the number is divisible by the number. See the second question. Fill in the blanks with the smallest digit in column A and greatest digit in column B, such that the numbers obtained are divisible by the corresponding numbers in the divisible by column. So they have given some numbers like 3, 4, 6, 2 and 5. And in column A and column B there are some numbers. You have to write the missing numbers. You have to use smaller digit for column A and greater digit for column B. You have to choose a number which is divisible by 3. Next, you have to choose a number which is divisible by 4. Similarly for 6, 2 and 5. Complete the two questions. Next, your homework part will be on your workbook, page number 32 and 33. See the eighth question. Form the 3-digit number using the digits 4, 3 and 5. So using the 3 digits, you have to form 3-digit numbers. Next, which of the numbers formed are divisible by 3? So you will write some 3-digit numbers in the above box. From the 3-digit numbers, you have to choose the numbers which are divisible by the number 3. Similarly for B question, you have to choose the numbers which are divisible by 11. Next, 10th question. Determine whether 9042 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. So you have to find out whether 9042 is divisible by these numbers. Use the divisibility rules and find out the answer and write whether this number is divisible for 2, 3 and so on to 10. Children, complete your homework on time and hand in Google Classroom app grade 6 Max. Drink plenty of water regularly. Eat healthy foods. Reduce your screen time. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you very much.